Did you know it takes just 7 seconds for someone to form a lasting impression of you? Whether it's a job interview, a first date, or meeting someone for the first time, those few moments can shape how people see you forever. But what exactly happens in those 7 seconds? And more importantly, how can you make those seconds count? In today's video, we're diving into the psychology of first impressions and sharing actionable tips to leave a lasting impact. Section 1. Why are first impressions so important? Research shows that within 7 seconds, people subconsciously assess your trustworthiness, confidence, and competence. This phenomenon is rooted in evolutionary psychology. Quick judgments helped our ancestors determine friend from foe. Visual, animated timeline, showing how quickly decisions are made in those critical seconds. Section 2. What shapes? First impressions. Body language. Standing tall, maintaining good posture, and using open gestures communicate confidence and approachability. Example, a comparison of someone slouching versus standing upright. Eye contact. Eye contact, when done naturally, not a stare, signals trust and attentiveness. Example, a scenario showing effective versus poor eye contact. Appearance. Before you say a word, people evaluate your grooming, attire, and overall presentation. Example, images of polished versus sloppy attire. Tone of voice. How you say something is often more important than what you say. A warm and confident tone sets the stage for a positive interaction. Section 3. Common mistakes that ruin. First impressions. Avoid these pitfalls: slouching or closed-off body language, avoiding eye contact, speaking too softly or too loudly, overloading the conversation with too much information. Section 4. How to make a strong and lasting impression. Be authentic. People can sense when you're not being genuine. Show the best version of yourself, but stay true to who you are. Show interest in others. It's not just about how you present yourself, it's about how you make others feel. Ask thoughtful questions and actively listen to their responses. Be present. Put away distractions like your phone and give the person your undivided attention. Being fully present shows you value the interaction. First impressions may happen fast, but with the right mindset and approach, you can master those 7 seconds to your advantage. Which tip resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more actionable insights and practical advice. See you in the next video.